What are magnets? How they work? I'm gonna tell you about that. Magnets generate magnetic field, an invisible area of influence around the magnet where magnetic forces are exerted. Magnetic field is what that allow magnet to attract or repel other materials. There are two types of magnets: permanent magnets and temporary magnets. Permanent magnets are those magnets who retain their magnetic property over the time without the influence of external source, for example bar magnet. But if we talk about temporary magnet, they become magnet when they are exposed to external magnetic field or current source, for example electromagnets. There are two poles of magnet, north pole and south pole. Like poles, for example north and north, south and south, repel each other, and opposite pole, for example north and south, attract each other. If we talk about how magnets work, in atoms there are electrons. They move and spin, creating tiny magnetic fields. In most of the material, these tiny magnetic fields are randomly oriented and cancel out the effect of each other. But in magnetic material, these atomic magnets movement occur in the same direction and add up to create a strong magnetic field. In magnetized material, this alignment of atomic magnetic movements occur over a large region to make that material act as a magnet.